It's Monday 27th of February. I'm here today just to sort of chat a little bit about a new backpack I've been testing out this season from Scott. It's quite a unique backpack because it's got a removable airbag system. It's lightweight and compact, and the last couple of weeks I took it over to Snowbird and used it over there. And lucky enough I've not had to use it for real today with the actual pulley to test the airbag, but I'm going to do that at the end of this clip. It's quite an interesting subject right now about airbags. In the last few years, people have started to be using the ABS bags and different brands that have allowed them to be a little bit safer when in an avalanche sort of risk zone. Ideally, before you go any further talking about airbags, it's so important that most people get educated, get all the right equipment to use: avalanche transceiver, probe, shovel, and ideally take a guide or an instructor that's got off-piste qualification. But once you've got those boxes ticked, definitely the new wave, the new revolution that's happening as the next safety aspect is the airbag system. It's definitely something that on our academy courses we've started to see a lot more clients rocking up on the courses with airbag systems. And if you can look at it from the investment point of view, it's definitely worthwhile. You've only got to take a look around these couloirs up in the Creble area. They're all areas that quite often do trigger with avalanche. And if you pan around, you'll see over to the far side where a lot of skiers actually traverse quite a huge avalanche that came off yesterday. And if you look down the line of the avalanche, you'll see there's some very, very big boulders. It's just not the nice thing to have a look at, but the reality of it is avalanches do happen all different times of the season for various different reasons. So from the point of view of starting to use airbags, this is something that from our academy point of view, we're definitely behind people thinking about it as a good investment. The one I'm using right now from Scott, if you can see from the back of it, it's got a really good carrying system for putting your skis on. I've tested that out when I've been touring and hiking up in different areas. It's really lightweight. When I went to the office, to the factory, and just went to pick it up, I already kind of went to put in a lot of effort and energy to lift what I thought would be a heavy, a typical airbag backpack, and it was super lightweight, which is really unusual. It's 30 litres, so you can fit a lot in it, but as you can see from the size, it is really compact, so it works well. And what's unique about it is you can actually remove the airbag. So if you want to use the backpack for summer events or different sort of skiing when you're not going off piste, it's great to have the option to be able to take it out. But I'm just going to try and see what this is like. So this is the first time I've actually tested it. This is the pulley here, and when you use the airbag, you kind of, rather than putting a slow progressive pull, you put a very hard pull all at once. So and the idea of that is 150 litres, and what it does, it raises you. If you're going to get caught in an avalanche and start sliding, this will be a bit like a bubble in water. It will just rise to the surface, and it's a huge difference in a life or death scenario if you could be skiing with one of these. So that's the backpack from Scott, removable airbag, and definitely something that I'll be skiing with every day.